ChatGPT has taken all over the internet. It has gained over 100 million users in less than 2 months, and everyone is talking about how it will revolutionize the AI as we know it. And not only AI, ChatGPT also opens many doors and many options to make money online. So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel or welcome to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about top 5 ways to make money online using ChatGPT tool. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. The first way of income using ChatGPT, which you all can do, is helping YouTubers. There are so many YouTubers who need assistance related to many things, like take it SEO, writing, scripting, or just coming up ideas for their YouTube video. And you can do that by using this tool ChatGPT. Many of my videos description from the past month have been written by ChatGPT for making them more SEO friendly, and you can actually see the growth. I first thought to make a video on this particular topic only, but then I thought I should make a video on how to make money using ChatGPT, and if you all like this video, then I will make a dedicated video on the topics which are mentioned in this video, like how to start these things and grow them into a bigger business. And you can also use this tool to do research on the topics for YouTubers, and you can make pretty good money, which you can call significant by using this tool. Okay, so now let's talk about the second way of making money which you can do using ChatGPT, faceless YouTube channel. I know building a YouTube channel from scratch is very hard, especially if you don't have any experience in writing, scripting, video editing, or have never faced a camera before. But this all can be done easily using the ChatGPT tool. You can literally type your whole script in the ChatGPT tool and you can use AI voices for making a faceless YouTube channel. Although making the faceless YouTube channel is comparatively easy from making other form of channels, but if you are consistent and if you monetize the channel, then you are good to go for making an extra source of income. And also if you don't have any ideas on what to make videos, then you can also use this ChatGPT tool for coming up with the ideas or just the niche of the channel which you want to make videos on. For coding, ChatGPT is a very powerful tool for many things, and coding is one of them. I use ChatGPT for coding a very simple website and it did. You can also use these code snippets generated by the ChatGPT for using in your own projects. If you have very small knowledge of the coding, now you can use this ChatGPT tool for your own use for the high language of programming. Now if you can also get the freelancing clients of works which you can't do but now can by using this ChatGPT tool. Okay, so before going on, if you are liking this video, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel because it gives a lot of confidence for making out these videos regularly. Okay, so now let's talk about the fourth way of making money using the ChatGPT tool, which is translation. There are so many gigs related to changing a particular piece of essays or writings into another form of language, and ChatGPT will do the same thing with a great precision. ChatGPT translates the essays like a human has done it, and you can use this ChatGPT tool for making an extra box of money by doing this translation. But I don't think this would be a great idea for using the ChatGPT for translation, but so many people are doing this and are making a good amount of money, so I thought I should include it in this video. Okay, so now let's talk about the fifth and the last way of making money using the ChatGPT tool, which is writing. I follow Alexandra Foslow and she uploaded a video on 7 ways to make money in writing freelancing using the ChatGPT. And if you want to know more about this, then I'll be linking down the video in the description box. But what she shared in summary is that you can use the ChatGPT tool for the captions, books, blogs, case studies or many other things in the freelancing writing business. For the freelancing writers, the ChatGPT is the best thing which has occurred to them. Okay, so by this we get to the end of the video, and I know it's a very short video in comparison to the other videos, but I'm in a very short time crisis because of my exams are coming up and also procrastination. But if you have liked the video and if you have any thoughts, questions or comments, then you can comment them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to read them all and to answer them. Until then, I'll meet you in the next one. Peace.